Omugaso omuyo mwanchomo ligereria andonsi asole Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere ase ejuma ya bene yechitariki 23 ekeramange abere kagokorekana kurwa chinsemo au ase ne ariganiri boikirano elionko yaretere ase nchira yobwenge buna twabaire tukenyora ase meza ito ya mangana maya Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere ni gotogo chaka kurwa ase sekta yechisemi ni gobono chia etirichi wiki ibere magega yaborokiwa be grade ye komigosoa ase chiskuru ase bono aborokiwa bwo barachake bene amasomo abo eiki egocha aya nkorengana no muwaziri wechisemi omusike Julius Migos Ogamba asarenge aya nigo agocha magega y'ebitabu ebyo birachi gutumikwa amona aborokiwa bwo gotumwa gocha ase chiskuru chisekondari imeyense ya Kenya ewisara yechisemi nigo yabereke goteba buna nigo ebitabu ebyo byabere bikorosiwa gwikira asilimia 50 iguru yemya nabigo byatumirwe ase chiskuru ase bona borokiwa babere barachikoba bagusanga egetabu ekemononye nabo nigo ebitabu ebyo beirire egekakorosiwa kubwatekana no kungusanana okwo kwabere gokoenekiwa egati ye wizara yechisemi amo nabali bakorosia ebitabu ebyo ase keribuna nigo ewizara yo yabwate amadeni amo nabantabwo ase bone serikali yabereke wakana egati ya madeni ayo egento kirrete ebitabu ebigochaka koroisiwa bono ase ebitabu 5,3 byabere bikoroisiwa na gutuma gocha ase chiskuru nigo bikagere koroisiwa kwera ase omwelio obwomutinyo yo.
For every school, we are sending 2 sets of books for every learning area so that we can enhance variety. If a school has 100 learners, for example, that school will get 60% of the books from one publisher and 40% of the books from another publisher, so that in senior school we start enhancing particularly that competency of communication.
Studying in these institutions will start in earnest from next week, which requires that we need to ensure that they have materials in school to allow the teachers to be able to start their curriculum, their training and their teaching of our students.
We believe that the other balance will be coming soon because we need to first distribute, take the delivery notes to KICD and then get the remaining 60% for grade 10. We believe that you will continue to support us in terms of timely payment of our dues.
And because we've shown commitment and goodwill in releasing the 5.6 billion, there is no reason for the publishers, the printers to doubt that the government is going to meet its obligation in paying the pending bill of 4.4 billion so that this partnership can proceed without any hiccups and without any...
Naboigo ekero tutigarete ase chinsema sekta yechisemi anene kurwe bunge ya South Mugirango omojumbe ebwe bunge yo omusike Silvanus Osoro nigo agendrete kora omuroberio obwo kubwatoka chibasari go cha saboro kigo bechi university amonichi college anene asensemo ya Nyamarambe boigo omusike Osoro nigaro bereti go chigwikirania omuroberio go Soro Care Club ime ye chinsemecho nigo boigo aberega kubulia basaibonsi wesokya kubwata chikura naboigo gwakira abarayi bali baraganie chikura ekero bochorio bonene burachigwika.
One, ntuwa wate para chiarambe kugira. Abante bakweba mapema. Abana bakega bali ba demo chiko apply basari moment. Ekero mugirangeye about about 15 years ago. About 15 years ago. Mugiranga na yo ketabu gatera mino ene ya Montagrass. Time kurbago teba. Oh. Iga aboka na moment. Okay. Ono chimbo para. Na rute biras bitato. Iga. Na rute berega. Naru tari bitatu ekemoga ekere balance ogirange ndima erebia go serebo aya ekiaga tot na de kyomwali asamangana regardless of that ngotema tole gosukuma so many things chitakire asayamba lawo tanga njena ne kwata kurti mane ba kubwatu nyora verification etra aria gateke ekadi yo wake kura you have a choice to make next year osema rame ndo you decide on how to vote next year. One to tai disiga, ana ndo gotari go change, ai change ya chikura. One gotari go ruetago, oche Nyamarambe na oche Njiria ane utaende kuru Nairobi oche ga na oche Njiria.
Abamenyi be sub-county ya Manga imeye county ya Nyamira nigo becokiri na kwimurunganiria amakong au ayubagendrete gwitira anenekero giokonyora chibesa chiabagotu chiabantu bali babwato bolema amone chintakana echiojainwa jamii ukwana ekero kyomuyiga bokwena na chindagira amone bintu binde asensemeyo omo women representative we county ya Nyamira umusubati Jerusha Mumanyi amono mu commissioner Umanga umusubati Valentine Cherono nigo basabire ekiombe ligetenerete chibesa ekyo kugayana emechande yo ase ubwango mono nonyene bo nigo egati y'abamenyi abo babere bagoteba buna nigo batanya konyora chibesa ekyo goika emeti nyene bono.
I'm asking Madam Jerusa to roll up the issue because some months are passing without receiving any money. Kama sasa kuna wengine hawajapata kama miezi 4, miezi 5. Alafu wengine wamepata juzi miezi moja baada ya kupata kukosa miezi 4.
Tuko na changamoto kubwa sana kwa wale ambao wanapata pesa ya Inua Jamii, haswa wale wazee na wale who are able differently, who are on cash transfer program from the national government. Na nafikiri we have escalated the issue na tunatarajia kwamba itashughulikiwa vilivyo.
Serikali huwa inaleta pesa, lakini wale watu wengine ambao wanatransmit hizo pesa hata hawatatupatia reason why. Wengine wanapata na wengine hawapati. Kwa sababu wale wengine ambao waliregister, kwa nini waletee wengine na wengine wasipata? Hiyo leo nimepata hayo. Nitaenda hata parliament niende kuuliza. Ni nini hii inaendelea? Kwa sababu kila wakati pesa inakuja.
Muraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nigo abiriga kwerere mirimo yonsi eri abereka gwikirania imeyense ya Kenya gesachole tukuba omuraibwense gukwana kurwa ase nyumba y'oburo ya State House emiyumuchu Nairobi emambiye litukulia lero ekero alenge gukora egeikaro amana basainigo abiriga kugikiria bali bonsi bagendete kumwakira amatitiri amone mirimo ya gukora buna omuraibwense na goteba buna abasae na bubarakinie ense ya Kenya goika ase birengo binde nonye nabo nigo abiriga kurieira yogochikuba bwaterania abasae bonsi gocha somoroberio obwa bwagachi bw'ekinyomba cyerigo lirensi gose affordable housing muna enchireyemo yokubanyorera emirimo.
Proud of this moment that we finally are believing in ourselves. You know, for a very long time, politics has sabotaged our country. Negativity, believing in others more than we believe in ourselves. And speaking negative things about our country, believing that nothing can happen. You know, I've come a long way. Many people were saying, oh, this gentleman is lying to us. Oh, fertilizer was 7,000. He's saying he's lying to us. Today it's 2,500. It's real. Oh, he was going to hire teachers. We have hired 100,000 teachers. It is real. Oh, so SHA. SHA is real. 28 million people are registered today in SHA, and SHA is working. Oh, I don't know. The economy is not telling us the truth. Today, the numbers don't lie. Oh, affordable, this housing fund is a slush fund. They are going to steal all the money. Oh, you know, William Ruto is the one supplying cement. I don't know, he's supplying steel. Nonsense. Today, the houses are there. They are staring at these people. Stubborn, as always. So, good people, let us believe in ourselves. Let's believe in our country as we believe in God, because this country is going to be changed by us. The housing program today, we have signed contracts for 600 billion. How much? And this is our money. We didn't borrow it from the IMF. We didn't go to the World Bank. We didn't go nowhere. This is our money. We are using our money. We are engaging our companies, Kenyan companies. We are engaging Kenya's consulting firms, professionals. We are using our raw materials, and the young people of Kenya, including the interns who are here, are at it, transforming our nation.
Ekiama agia Jubilee nigo kiararire bene amaunchiririo ase ekiamekyo bosio bobochorio boke obore bosio asoyo renge omuriki bwekiamekyo Jeremiah Kioni abete kagochorukoba omukonyi bwekiamekyo omusike Vincent Kemusi agachorukoba omunyakirugo ase abacho abaraibande abange babete bagochorwa egati yabo Moitalel Olekanta abete kagochorukoba omuriki bwekiamekyo ukwana chinga kicho omusike Daktari Fred Matiang'i oyo oraririye ganga yaye yo guchikuria ekerugo ky'oburai bwense nigo atebire buna amaunchurira yo nachikwene kibuna ekiamekyo nguchikonyara ko bakegotinga anene asoburai bwaye.
The Honorable Moitalel Olekenta as our new Secretary General in Jubilee, the National Chairman of Jubilee, Vincent Mogaka Kemosi, recruitment, outreach, our legal services, compliance. And as I move around the country campaigning and engaging with various community leaderships, we want to work with Kenya's young people. We don't want to tell them to come. We want them to be involved, to occupy leadership while they are within the party. And you have seen the decisions we have taken today, how many former student leaders we have brought on board, leaders at various levels. We have begun the process of opening up our new offices across the country, meeting with our delegates and leaders at the grassroots level. We are strengthening ourselves, expansive responsibilities. Right. Jubilee is a member of Asimio still, in advance. We haven't gotten to the bridge. You want us to take, started talking, we are working with other people and so on.
Mwanchumu ligereria aina arutwa kwariganirie ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere kondege kuraga 10 na ndentoirane eritogendere gusanga mange buna agendere tugwateka genda gutwara oboligereri burubya nigo tubwateranire Vanessa Nyaboke kurugalia sensemo yebimanyererio na ncheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto.
I am directing that no child should remain at home because they do not have school fees. Every child, wawe na school fees, wasiwe na school fees. Wawe na uniform, wasiwe